So in the recording of my previous video, I noticed that the right channel cut out, and it stayed that way, so I'm guessing there's a mechanical break somewhere within the microphone system. So I'm going to open it up and see if I can fix it. So here is the ground wire. It is copper and red in color. And here is the left and right. There's a green wire coming in, and that is supposed to be connected to both solder blobs. But a disconnect occurred, so I'm going to have to solder those two together. And the reason they only run one wire is because they know that the microphone is a singular microphone. They won't need two in the long run. So they just run one wire. And now the microphone is working with both channels. So in order to access the solder points, I had to cut off some insulation surrounding the headphone plug, and I'm going to attempt to replace that with hot glue, just so it reduces the stress from plugging and unplugging the jack. And there we go, fully functional and almost as good as new. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful.